What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Me and my sister are going to show you our very cool squishies that we have. I'll go first. So I'll go with this fake dumpling. It's really cool though because it has like colors on the top. And yeah, okay.
And this is my first ever dumpling, and it's the real Artemis dumpling. It's glitter, it just doesn't have a face because I played with it too much.
Alright. Next up I have this Neato. It's really good. I love this one. It's the first Neato I've ever got.
I also have a Neato, but it's blue. This one's very good because it has like little bubbles.
It's really good.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Oh. I got this one. It's like the cheese, we share it. But we also had another one, but I popped it because I wanted the clay inside. But I just feel like the clay in here is like dried up because there's no hole, but it's like, but it's still good. Yeah.
Okay, next is the gigantic duck.
Bob.
Yeah, his name's Bob. And he has a lot of air in his head. Surgery. That's air, but he's actually very nice.
Alright, last but not least, we have this banana. It's really good. It's the Squeezy brand, so I really like it. It's like, it feels so good. Watch this, guys. Okay, my sister wants to show you guys something.
This is really nice because
Okay, you guys, happy holidays to you all. Love you guys. Bye. Peace.